Welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is Friday, June 4th, 2021. Basically, we're halfway through the year. It's incredible how time flies by. Okay, guys, so I'm going to talk about farming today. I'm just going to show you how I collect yield on some of my farms. Why am I doing this? I'm currently farming stables because the trading environment isn't that friendly. So if you're not like level expert at trading, I would recommend that you stay away because we really don't know which way we're going to go. Are we going to increase in price or are we going to drop down? In the end, Bitcoin is the coin that drives everything in the market. So if Bitcoin is going up, the rest of the coins will eventually go up at the same time or follow shortly. But if Bitcoin goes down, they all go down with very few exceptions. So after we had this steep correction from the highs of $62,000, we've settled around $37,000. That's like the median price. We came down all the way down to 30,000. We bounced back up to close to 42,000. And basically that's the range. That's the range in which Bitcoin is going to be moving. And while it's in that range, I'm basically not going to be trading other stuff because unless you're a day trader, you're probably going to be losing money if you try to trade within this area, even if you're doing it on Bitcoin or if you're doing it with other alts. Okay, so until Bitcoin clears either this top resistance or breaks down below the support, I'm basically going to be just farming stables. Okay, right now Bitcoin is trading within this triangle area. Remember, these are my main resistance and support areas, but we are creating a very clear triangle here. Okay, so that's something that we can also watch. We can see how Bitcoin came up to the top of the resistance. This is also a resistance on the RSI. It just coincided with the Elon tweet. So Elon must be very good at TA and he knows when to tweet because his tweets basically come in at very key support or resistance points. Okay, so that's it, that for Bitcoin. I just wanted to let you know that I'm basically farming stables. Okay, so now that we're gonna go move into our farming, I'm just going to go through 2 or 3 farms and show you how I collect the profits from those farms and what I'm doing with the profits from those farms, because I'm going to reinvest them right now into the pool that I believe that has the most interesting APR or APY right now, whichever you want to call it. So I'm gonna put on my farmer hat. Okay, does that look like a farmer hat? Well, I don't know, but kind of does. Okay, so let's go to the farms. Farm number 1. I'm farming on MAKI Swap. I'm farming stables, so I'm farming USDT, HUSD. HUSD is a stable coin. It's basically Huobi is behind that, so I think it is very safe, relatively safe. It's just like using BUSD, which is Binance, the Binance stable coin. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna harvest. Confirm. This is on the HECO system, HECO, Huobi ecosystem. Okay, so just like Binance Smart Chain, Binance created their own ecosystem. Huobi is also doing the same. Then we're gonna come here and we're going to exchange our MAKI for stable coins. Okay, so MAKI, and we're going to switch it for HUSD, which is what they're using here for the main pools. Okay, let's let it load. There it is. So it's 962. So I'll just exchange it. Okay, since this is on the Huobi ecosystem, once I get my HUSD, I have to send it over to Huobi, and from there I can send it to Binance or to Matic ecosystem or to the Ethereum chain, whatever. But right now, see, I have my HUSD already. Boop. So that's one farm. Let's go to another farm. Okay, so the next farm is Polygon Curve. So I'm just going to hit claim. Confirm. And while that's happening in the background, I'm going to go to Aave. And we're also going to claim the rewards. Okay. And while that's going on in the background, I'm going to move to QI. So here we are at QI. I'm just going to reload it. So you know, farming is hard, but it's honest work. It might not be much, but it's honest work. So it's loading. This is my MAI USDC pool, so this is a stable pool. I'm going to harvest my QI. Hit confirm and approve. Okay, remember, in the background, we were collecting our curve and our Aave rewards. So I'm going to go to quick swap and we're going to swap for dollars, for USDC. Okay, so let's go to our Matic and we're going to choose USDC. So we're going to get 1450. Okay, so let's do that. Let's convert it. And then let's convert our QI yeah, let's add that. Oh, I pressed the plus again. To USD. Okay, so that's another $15. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm going to convert what I just farmed into first USD, and then when it's converted to USD, I'm going to add to my MAI Matic USDC liquidity pool. Okay, so let's do that once this is finished. Okay, there's the Matic being traded and my QI didn't go through, so let's do it again. Oh, because we have more QI now. Okay, so it's $27 in QI. Okay, Hit confirm. Okay, so the swap has been confirmed. So we have $41. So remember, every little dollar counts, and it adds up, and it adds up fast. It does, okay? So we're going to switch USDC for MAI, okay? Because that's the other token that we need to pair up for our pool. So 41.72, let's say 20.70. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Now we're going to go to the pool section. We're going to select add liquidity. We're going to select USDC and MAI. And let's see. Yeah, we can do this. Confirm supply. I'm going to add a little speed, okay? So right now what we're doing is adding liquidity to the pool. We're adding USDC and MAI in equal amounts. So 50-50, we got it. Here is our pool share for this specific $40 edition. Now that we have the amount that we're supplying to the pool, we're gonna go to app MAI Finance and we're going to deposit. Okay, so we're going to add to what we already have in the pool, in the staking pool. Okay, let's do it again. Let's add a little bit more speed, more gas, so that this gets confirmed a little bit quicker. And that's it. That's it, guys. So basically, this is what I'm doing. I'm adding from the earnings of everything into this pool, because this is a stable pool that has the best yield right now. So I'm going to keep adding to this one, and then at some point in time, I'm just going to hold it, freeze, and start taking profit. Okay. Those profits can be invested in other platforms, in other tokens, in ICOs, or you can just take the profit. Okay, so this is what we do. We take profit from something that we've done, either yield farming, or we bought a token real cheap and it grew in price. We take our winnings, we take some profit to reinvest somewhere else, and we take profit for ourselves, and we leave a little moon back. Okay, so we do all those things. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great weekend.